Okay, this is a quick video to show you a few resources that will help you in this course. So if you click on My Lab and Mastering, and then you can click on Open My Lab and Mastering. Yours may look a little different from mine, but you will have a list of assignments. So you can click on your assignments and click on, let's look at 2.3. So if you click on 2.3, you're going to see your questions, and for example, the red X means this one was missed, and you can go back and rework that question or any questions. But I'm going to click on question 1. And so when you click on question 1, and you get the problem. So let's just say you were working part A and you weren't quite sure what to do. You can click on question help, and there are several different resources that students really like. The one that I like the most is the view an example for me, because it will take you through a problem similar. And so you can keep pressing continue, and it will go through the problem with you to help you understand how to work your problem and give you an example. But what I really like, let me see if I can find one. Let me go to another section. Is if you have a problem that has a formula. Let's go to 5.1. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to click on question help and view an example. And so it has the formula here, and as we go through formulas, I'm going to explain what all of this means so you actually understand what the formula says, because you really need to know how to go by formulas and plug those in. But what I like about the view an example is the step-by-step of the problem will tell you exactly how they want you to round for particular steps. So here it takes it and it does a step-by-step breakdown of what you should do and what you should round to. Most students miss problems not because they don't understand how to work them on the homework. It's because they don't round to what the homework question wants them to round to. Help Me Solve This is another resource where it will take you step by step through your problem and break it down as to what you need to do for each step. So those are two really good resources that will help you a lot. The Ask My Instructor, if you're working a problem and you just really don't understand what's going on, and you have a particular question, what you can do is send me, after you've checked it and got it wrong, you can send me the problem and it sends it to me. And what I can do is I can do a quick video of how to work that problem for you, especially if you've been stuck on that problem for a long amount of time. So those few things will really help you on the homework, and I just wanted to show you, this is what I call your best friends, your homework best friends, your view and example, your help me solve this, and your ask my instructor option. Remember, to get these, you click on question help. Now, if you want to open this in StatCrunch, which I'll use a lot, in Excel, if it gives you this option here, this box, then you can click on Excel or StatCrunch and open it in there, because there will be problems that are longer that we will work in Excel or on StatCrunch. But for your homework, for your test, most of the time, you won't need an Excel spreadsheet. It won't be that many data points. You can actually use the formula to work by hand. But for the homework, I want you to be able to work certain problems by hand and then certain problems using technology. So hopefully this video will help you get started on your homework.